air dry. As you guys saw, you know, I washed it really quick with just some random conditioner that I had in the bathroom, and then I'm gonna let it air dry, and then I am gonna show y'all how I do like my braiding pattern. I don't know how to braid. I'm gonna do a flat twist. So my flat twist pattern and how I install this, and hopefully it looks out really good. And I'll give you guys all the specs and stuff of where I got this wig and all that, and it'll be linked down below. See y'all in the next clip. Okay, y'all, I know I look crazy. Please keep your comments to yourself, okay? Thank you. But like I said, told you I'm gonna come back to kind of show you guys my parting for this U-part V-part unit. Okay, so I want to be able to do like a side part, like a low-key side part, but also a middle part. Y'all, doing hair or anything beauty related with glasses is so hard. Okay, because I can't see, so I'm just hoping to God that it don't look crazy. Okay, I think we're good. The part's not gonna be perfect, but it'll be something. I just want to, obviously, you know, you want enough hair to cover the back and the sides. Right. Okay, so let me flat twist this out of the way. Okay, so that's out of the way. And you want the sides a little bit of the sides out, just in case the wind blows. You know. Okay, I think that's enough. And enough to do some edges, you know, just a little bit. So what I did was, like, I just parted it behind my ear. I mean, the part behind my ear. I think that's a good amount of hair to have. Okay, so ooh. Okay, and then I'm probably gonna do like 4 big flat twists in the back, and then call it a day, because the hair is so thick. And I'm obviously gonna put I'm gonna put a wig cap as well to like flatten it, so I'm not too worried about it being perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and when I'm ready to install my wig. using my phone. So for foundation, I'm using the Lancome, Ultra Wear in the color 515W. For concealer, Sephora Bright Future. Camel concealer in deep. nobody's really gonna see it. Okay. Okay. Like the makeup look. I'm gonna come back. My clothes on. And hair done. Bye. Okay, makeup done, hair done. This is my dress. Okay, I'm put on perfume. Nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna use VLOGMAS. Yes, that's okay. And then I'm gonna top it with black amber. And this is the final look, guys.